Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to download Skype for Business. Skype for Business is an enterprise software application for instant messaging and video telephony developed by Microsoft as part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is designed for use with the on-premises Skype for Business server software and the software as a service version offered as part of Office 365. To download Skype for Business, if you are using an Android, tap open your Play Store. For iOS, tap open your App Store and in the search box, search for Skype Business and search. From the search results, you'll be able to view Skype for Business for Android. Simply tap on Install in order to download the application on your device. Wait for the download to begin. Once the download is completed, the installation process will begin. Wait until it installs on your device. Once the app is installed, tap open the app by tapping on open, or you can visit your app list and the application will be visible there as well. Tap it on and tap on the next button. Allow access for Skype for Business to access your contacts and make and manage phone calls, take pictures and record videos, access to your medias, and finally to record audio. Accept to the terms and conditions of Skype. Tap on the next button one more time and log in to your account with your sign-in address. So how to create Skype account? To create Skype account, you can go to your web browser and search for skype.com and enter the official website, or you can download Skype application on your device. After you've downloaded the application, tap open the application and in the very first interface of Skype, tap on Let's Go. Tap on Sign In or Create. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply sign in by entering the credentials. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create One. Select your country code and enter your phone number, or you can use your email address instead. To do so, tap on Use your email address instead. Type in an email address for your account and tap on the Next button. Now, create a password for your account and tap on the Next button again. On the next page, enter your first name and then your last name and tap Next again. You'll need to verify your email, so go to your email address that you entered and check the code that has been sent. Tap open the email after you receive it and copy the code that has been sent to you. Go back to Skype, enter the code. If you want information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services, then tap on this box and click on the Next button. You'll need to prove on the next page that you are not a robot. To do so, tap Next and tap on the arrows to rotate the image to the correct way up. Tap Done and repeat to all the images. Now you can find contacts easily by tapping on Continue, or skip this step for now by tapping on the upper right corner which says Skip. Tap on Continue and allow Skype to record audio, pictures, and you are done. You've successfully signed up to Skype with these few simple steps. How you can change your Skype's name. Your Skype name is the name that you created when you first joined Skype. In order to change your Skype's name, go to your Skype application and sign into it first. Tap on Sign In or Create and log into your account like you normally do. Once you're in, tap on your initials at the top of the screen. Select Skype profile from the page. In this page, you'll be able to see your name at the top of the screen right below the camera button. To change your name, tap on the pencil mark at the right corner. Erase your name and type in a new name you want to change to. After you're done, tap on the tick mark one more time. Go back and see for yourself. Your Skype name has been changed. How to accept a Skype invitation. Go open your Skype application or type in skype.com on your computer. Make sure to sign into your account first. As soon as you land in the official website of Skype, click on the profile icon located at the upper right corner and you'll see several options there. To use Skype Online, click on Use Skype Online and it will take you to Skype Web. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to this page right here. If someone sends you a Skype invitation, then you can click on the notification button and you'll be able to view the invitation in this page. On the left hand side of the screen, if you see any kind of notification popping out, simply click it open. As soon as you do that, your invitation would look like this. In order to accept the invitation, click on the Accept button and just like that, you'll be able to accept the invitation sent to you on Skype. how you can add someone on Skype application. To add someone on Skype, start by going through your app list and tap Open Skype. Once you're in, tap on the Contacts button at the right corner of the screen at the bottom. You'll be able to see a blue icon with a plus in it at the bottom right. Simply tap on it, and to add a friend, tap on either Invite to Skype or Add a phone number. Tap on Add a phone number and type in a name of the contact you want to add, and on the next field, enter the country code from the drop-down. After you're done, enter the contact number of the person. After that, tap on Save at the upper right corner, and you'll successfully be able to add a new contact on your Skype. Tap on My Contact and you'll be able to view the contact you just added. If you want to invite someone to Skype, then tap on the Invite button to invite a contact on Skype. Simply share the link by tapping on the contact and send an invitation link via SMS. How to video call on Skype. Making video calls on Skype is easy. If you want to call someone on Skype contacts, then it is absolutely free, but to call a mobile number or a landline through Skype requires Skype credits or subscriptions. To make a video call on Skype, first go open your Skype application. Once you're in, find the person you want to call from your contact list. Tap on the Contacts button located at the bottom right corner. Select your contact from the list. Once you open the contact, tap on the Video button or Audio button located at the upper right corner. And after doing that, you'll be able to make a video call to one of your contacts on Skype. How to block someone on Skype. Start by tapping Open Skype application from your app list. Once you're in, tap on the contact you want to block. To do so, tap on the Contacts button at the bottom right corner. Go to My Contacts at the upper left-hand side and tap on the contact you want to block. Once you do that, tap on the name of the person at the top of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you find Block Contact in red. Tap on it, and in addition to blocking a contact, you can also choose to report abuse. This notifies Skype of spammers so that it can stop them in the early stages of their activity. To do so, enable the button and select a region for reporting the particular contact. Select it from the list, and after you're done, tap on Block. Or you can simply tap on Block without reporting the person as well, and just like that, the contact will be blocked on Skype. How to add contacts on Skype. To add contacts on Skype, follow the instructions. Start by tapping Open Skype application from your app list, and once you're signed into your account, to add a contact, tap on the contacts on the right corner of the screen at the bottom. To add a new contact, tap on this plus icon in pink at the bottom right and search for people using their Skype name, phone number, or email address. After you find the contact, tap on the contact, and to add them to your Skype, simply tap on Add Contact. That is how you can add contacts on your Skype account from your Android device. Now, after you do that, the contact has been added to your Skype contact list, as you can see under My Contacts. Similarly, you can add more contacts by tapping on the plus icon and search for the people that you want to add. Simply tap on the contact and add them to your contact by tapping on Add Contact. How to keep your Skype status online. Tap open your Skype application, and once you're signed in, tap on your initials at the top of the screen. You'll see your status at the top of the screen, the very first one. You can select your status from the list, tap on Active, and that way you can change your Skype status back to online with just a simple tap. As you can see that you've been shown online on Skype at the very top after the action. How to test Skype audio. Skype has this built-in test call features that allow you to ensure that your setup is in working order. To test your Skype audio, tap open Skype application from your app list. Sign into your Skype if you are not signed in. Tap on the search button at the upper right and type in Echo 123. Tap on Echo or Sound Test Service from the search results. Now call Echo by tapping on the call button at the upper right corner in order to test the service. Follow the recorded instructions and Echo will prompt you to leave a message after the beep. After a few moments, a second beep will indicate the recording time is up and the message will be played back. To end the test, tap on the End Call button in red, and with this, your Skype audio test has ended. Now, while in the call, if you do not hear the recorded instructions, then that means there is a problem with your speakers. In case you did not hear the playback, it indicates a problem with your microphone. How to reset your Skype password? To reset your Skype password, tap open your Skype application. Sign into your account by entering your credentials and tap on the next button. In the password text field, tap on Forgotten your password since we don't remember the password. Verify your identity. Choose how would you like to get your security code. Since we have only one option here, tap on Get Code and go to your email in order to look for the code that has been sent to you. Type in the code that you received and tap on Next. Now enter a new password you would like to use for your Skype account and re-enter the password one more time. Tap on the next button and your password for your Skype account will be reset. Tap on Sign In and sign in back to your account like you normally do. Type in your credential, tap on the next button and enter the password you just changed to. After that, tap on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your account. Quick and easy. How you can share screen on Skype. To share screen on Skype, the first thing you'll need to do is go to your Skype application and tap it on from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed in to Skype first, and once you are in, from the chat screen, tap on a contact and start by making a phone call or a video call. In order to call the person, go to the top right corner of the screen and you can either choose video call option or simply an audio call option. Select any one and call a contact on Skype. Once the contact picks up your call, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from the expanded menu, tap on Share Screen. Tap on Start Now, and right after you do that, you'll be able to share screen on Skype. How to log out with Skype. Go to your Skype application and tap it open. You can also visit your web browser and type in skype.com. Sign into your account like you normally do. Enter your credentials and tap on the next button. Type in a password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account for a smooth login. In case you forgot your password, tap on Forgotten your password right below the box and follow the instructions to reset your password. After entering your password correct, tap on the Sign In button in order to log into your account. Once you're in, this will be your home screen for your Skype account. In order to log out of Skype, tap on your initial at the top of the screen. At the upper right corner, you'll be able to see a Sign Out button. To log out of Skype, simply tap on Sign Out. From the pop-up, select Yes in order to confirm that you want to sign out of the account. And with this, you'll be logged out of your Skype account in no time. How to uninstall Skype for Business. In order to uninstall Skype for Business, follow the steps. Scroll through your app list and locate Skype for Business. After you find the app, keep pressing it and you'll see an uninstall button popping out, followed by lots of other buttons. Simply tap on Uninstall and from the pop-up, tap on OK to uninstall the app from your device. Or you can simply go to Settings and scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on Apps, find the application from the app list, simply search for it or scroll through the application list. Once you spot the app, simply tap it on and at the bottom of the screen you can see that there are three options: Open, Uninstall or Force Stop. To uninstall the app, tap on Uninstall and from the pop-up, select OK to confirm that the app can be uninstalled now. With this, you have uninstalled Skype for Business app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.